All right, here's a lesson on Freebird by Lynyrd Skynyrd. This is going to be like the rhythm parts of the song. So we're going to start with a G to D and then E minor twice. So here we go. And then F, C, D. Twice on the D. Okay, then there's another part that comes in on that. So it has that little walk up, O to 2, and then it starts on the 3 on the downbeat. And what it's doing there is like these 3 notes of the triad. So it's going from the 3 on the big string to the D string open. So, and then it has the 2 in there on the 5th string. So it's O, 2, 3, O, 2, 3, O. And here we have a 2 on the big string with 2 opens underneath it. And then we're going open 2, 2 like an E power chord. So we got that F power chord, 1, 3, and 3. Then we're going to come down to this C shape, 3, 2, and open. We got this C. So we had 3, 2, O to the 2 again, and then 3, 2 on the D. Open D to open G. And then you're gonna bring this ring finger down here to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, or you're gonna hit that G string again. That kind of thing. So 3 times of that hammer on with that O to 2 to the 3. So we got. So the chords again. So one guitar is doing these chords. And then the other one. Okay, so that's guitar 2. Now guitar 3 has the slide. We're going to do the slide stuff later on. But let's look at these main chords one more time, and we're going to get into the change of these chords. So once he starts singing and starts doing the verse, it's going to be 4 times through all these chords. So we say that's the 4 times. So we're going to come into then, we're going to have this change. F, C, D. D twice as long. Back to the other part. So it'll be 4 more of those. Let's go back to that change, F. Get a little bit more staccato as it goes, a little bit more rocking. This one has an extra one. Has one more than the last time. Then you get into change. Now we're gonna have this new rhythm for the solo. So we got the G power chord, 3, 5, and 5. Up to the B flat on the 6th fret. Up to the C on the 8th fret. So we got boom, boom, boom. Bum, 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 bum. So it's a specific rhythm. And it varies a little bit as it goes, but you want to definitely get that basic rhythm of. Sometimes you'll have that little chromatic thing after you're on that C. Oh, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. You can hit the open without a chord, and then you kind of come in with the chords on those other ones. So we got. There'll be some stops like that. You resume after a while. So let me count you in on that one time here before this lesson's done. Like I say, the other lesson is going to have the slide part in it. It's going to have the guitar solo. It might take 2 lessons to do that. The guitar solo, of course, it's really long. But we're going to have those coming up soon, so please keep an eye out for those. Let's do a little bit of this rhythm. I'll count you in. 2, 3, and. Let's try the chromatic thing. Here we go. So I'm going to give you the first little riff of the solo. So what that is it's the middle finger going into the 16th fret of the G string. And then you're going to go 15 and 15 on the first string and second string. And then you're going to use your ring finger to bend the 18th fret. So you're bending it up and then you're hitting the 15 below it. And then bend it twice more, give it vibrato. So it's. And then you're going to go. So we got. So at the end of that, you got the bend in the 18 with the end 18 underneath it. And that does exactly the same thing again. Just keep doing that bend thing. And you're getting some vibrato on the second string. Okay, so that is the end of Freebird Part 1. We'll see you soon. Thanks a lot.